Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting essentials done fast. Install Git and sign into your GitHub account inside Vscode so authentication is ready. Once done, install the Live Share extension and accept permissions to share ports and terminals. Then open the project folder, add a sensible. Git ignore, run Git init, stage files, and make your first commit. This creates a local baseline you can push or share immediately with collaborators. Next, you prepare a shareable branch and remote. Create a feature branch and commit focus changes with descriptive messages so reviewers understand intent. Make sure to run unit and lint tests locally before pushing to avoid noisy feedback. Then add the remote repository if needed, and push using git push uorigin feature /name. This sets upstream so future pushes are simple. Once pushed, open a pull request on the hosting service to start formal review. Finally, share for collaboration. Either start a live share session to pair program in real time or send the pull request link for a synchronous review. When reviewers comment, make targeted commits, squash if you need a clean history, and merge via the PR when checks pass. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot authentication or push failures by relogging into your provider, verifying the remote URL, and regenerating tokens. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.